Welcome to Tuesday's edition of the Tech Stocks Daily Podcast. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of tech stocks making headlines. Hold on to your earbuds as we explore CrowdStrike's cybersecurity triumph, propelled by a shiny BTIG upgrade and a sizzling new services partner program. We'll also break down AppLovin's incredible market rally as it shimmies past resistance levels, making a name for itself in the business services sector. And don't miss Reddit's spectacular rise as a must-watch for growth investors, complete with soaring user figures and daring new monetization strategies. It's all coming your way, so stay tuned and get ready for some tech stock excitement. Hey tech enthusiasts, today's spotlight is on CrowdStrike Holdings, a cybersecurity superstar making waves on Wall Street and in the NASDAQ community. So what exactly has CrowdStrike out here strutting on the tech catwalk like it's never been hacked? Let's dive into why this cyber juggernaut is in the news today. First up is the sizzling surge in CrowdStrike stock price. This jump occurred after analysts from BTIG gave the company a warm and fuzzy, wait for it, upgrade. They transitioned from a neutral standpoint to a staunchly optimistic buy rating. Why? Analysts at BTIG perceive a clearer picture of CrowdStrike's revenue growth, especially over the next couple of years. They're talking about bumping expectations for the fiscal year 2027's annual recurring revenue, which is kind of a big deal for those tracking growth metrics and earnings projections. What's more interesting is their outlook on ARR, predicting it will land between $6.2 billion and $6.6 billion by the FY27. BTIG is waving pom-poms in eager anticipation of CrowdStrike potentially hitting $10 billion in ARR by 2031, or maybe even sooner. This level of bullish enthusiasm is enough to convince even the most cybersecurity-wary business to, let's say, not stay neutral anymore. But that's not all, folks. CrowdStrike also unveiled its new services partner program. This initiative is bound to slash and burn through the services market, as it aims to rope in global system integrators, managed service providers, and managed security service providers for an advanced cybersecurity rodeo. They're effectively ushering these partners into the shimmering gates of their Falcon next-gen scene, pushing organizations' security architectures into a new era. Despite its checkered history, a major outage last year plummeted their stocks by nearly half. CrowdStrike has recouped to reach new heights. Its past hurdles are now but speed bumps on the road to this vertical climb, much like the hacker equivalent of a crusty DVD scratch that creates a blip before the movie continues playing out heroically. On top of the marketplace parades and corporate handshaking, CrowdStrike invigorated their catalog with thrilling updates. Yesterday, amid champagne popping, perhaps, the firm announced innovations in Falcon exposure management intended to swap out the old vulnerability management systems for those shinier, AI-powered ones. Picture Tony Stark waving out the legacy tech to make way for something outrageously cool. It's designed to rev up cybersecurity efficiently while sipping a chai latte at their desks, or from the comfort of a trendy hacker-proof fallout shelter. In conclusion, it's been pretty much roses all the way for CrowdStrike today. Enlightened analysts are hosting a jazz festival of forecasts. Their groundbreaking partner program is turning heads. An innovation in AI-driven realm cements its prowess within the cybersecurity grand opera. So keep your eyes peeled and wallets at the ready, because this one's on a roll and it doesn't look like it's stopping anytime soon. Hey tech enthusiasts, guess what hit the headlines today? It's all about AppLovin Corporation, the mobile marketing giant that's been on a thrilling roller coaster ride in the stock market. Let's break it down. First up, technical analysis is showing that AppLovin's shares have been soaring to new highs. Over just a brief span of 3 weeks, the shares have jumped more than $100. This impressive rally has marked AppLovin as the stock of the day, and for a good reason. Part of this excitement stems from the stock successfully breaking through a critical resistance level. Now, what does this resistance business mean, you ask? Imagine trying to push through a dense crowd at a concert to get closer to the stage. As you break through one human barrier, you often find yourself in another, yet more strategic position. In the stock world, resistance levels are like that stubborn crowd, packed with sell interest. They're where stocks pause or reverse their trend because there finally seems to be enough sellers to satisfy the buyers. However, when a stock blasts through such a barrier, like AppLovin has, it suggests that the sellers have packed up their tents, leaving the buyers to raise prices into a clear new uptrend. This punch-through often stems from something called buyer remorse. In simpler terms, an investor might regret buying stocks if prices plummet after their purchase, itching for a chance to exit at their original buying price. When the stock rallies back, these investors place sell orders at the previous price levels. AppLovin's bounce back to push through the resistance suggests it's burning through these remorseful sellers and heading for open field territory, making it even more delectable for those following Wall Street. Meanwhile, fundamentally, AppLovin is absolutely crushing it in the business services sector. The stock boasts a shiny Zacks rank of number 1, meaning analysts have their eyes set on it for strong future performance. What's the proof in the pudding, you ask? The Zacks consensus estimate for AppLovin's full-year earnings has improved by a whopping 16.5% over the last quarter. And if you need more evidence, since the year's beginning, AppLovin stock has churned out a handsome return of about 4.9%, while the average business services stock has been enjoying a far more modest gain of 1.9%. But here's a fun twist. PagSeguro Digital, another star in the sector, is strumming its own chord, delivering a steamy return of 32.4% since the year kicked off. A healthy competition maybe, but for those eyeing stunning business services stocks, keep AppLovin in your periphery because its ride is unquestionably still revving up. Overall, AppLovin's been the talking piece for both chart mavens tracking the technical resistance breakouts and fundamental fans eager to ride robust performance across and beyond the business services sector. Things are heating up, and the thrill isn't over yet. Stay tuned for more stock market excitement. Hold on to your usernames, folks, because Reddit is making waves in the tech world, and this isn't just your average subreddit drama. Today, we're diving into why Reddit is all over the tech news and giving long-term investors something to yak about at the office water cooler. First up, Reddit is being spotlighted as a prime pickup for long-term growth investors. Yes, we're talking hyper-growth here, the kind that gives you hedge fund manager vibes. With Reddit's dazzling daily active unique users rocketing 39% year-over-year to 101.7 million by the end of 2024, this platform is soaring higher than a subreddit meme in DAO. Plus, revenue jumped 71% to 427.7 million. Advertisers are like bees to honey when it comes to Reddit's buzzing hive of activity, and let's not forget about those juicy deals they're cooking up with AI companies. But there's another intriguing twist. Reddit's thinking about locking some content behind paywalls later this year. It's a bold move that could pay off big time, or it might stir up a ruckus amongst dedicated users. Either way, it's an untapped revenue stream that's got everyone talking. Despite some stock price tumbles, Reddit stands tall with astronomical growth and potential. It has already hit a generally accepted accounting principles operating margin of 12% in 2024, and its eye-popping gross margin of 93% really shows its knack for profitability while keeping operations running lean and mean. The asset-light business model means less capital spending and more free cash flow in the bank. $250.8 million last year, to be precise. So, why is everyone abuzz about Reddit today? Simply put, it's a one-of-a-kind social media platform blending community-driven content with high potential for financial gain. If you're considering getting on the Reddit roller coaster, you'd be joining a company poised to leverage its unique standing for golden opportunities. What do you folks think? Is Reddit riding the hype train to the moon, or will their new revenue models hit a meme-sized snare? We want to hear from you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Have a stellar idea for monetizing subreddits or maybe an opinion on those paywalls. Sound off. All right, let's put the spotlight on CrowdStrike. After diving into what's hot, and I mean firewall level hot, in today's news, CrowdStrike has a lot going for it. Analysts from BTIG just gave it a lovely bouquet of optimism with an upgrade to a buy rating, hinting that things could swashbuckle into a thrilling treasure trove by FY27. We're talking serious revenue growth vibes, with annual recurring revenue predictably landing between $6.2 billion and $6.6 billion by then. Add to this their shiny new services partner program that's touting to revolutionize how businesses integrate global security measures into their operations. It's like every business's dream bodyguard just got a next-gen upgrade. There's also those Tony Stark-like tricks they're using with AI and Falcon exposure management, promising to sprinkle a little sparkly innovation into vulnerability management. Now, despite previous hurdles where past outages were less of a thriller and more of a suspense veil for investors, CrowdStrike is back stronger than ever. Their new heights suggest that they've shrugged off those concerns like a worn-out cape from last Comic-Con. So here's what I'd say. If you're currently holding CrowdStrike stocks, today's news gives you no reason to jump ship. In fact, it might even be a strong, enticing point to add to your position if you're considering a buy, especially if you believe in their vision and the analysts' rosy future revenue forecasts. But as always, dear listeners, while CrowdStrike's on a high, never forget to weigh their past performance and future innovation plans with your own research, maybe spritzed with an ounce of risk tolerance. Always ensure it vibes with your individual investment strategy. Always do your own research and keep exploring more before making the final call. Today's tech market was alive with excitement. CrowdStrike soared thanks to upbeat analyst upgrades and innovative partner programs, shooting it into the spotlight of cybersecurity enthusiasts. AppLovin danced past resistance levels, showing off its high-performance potential in the business services sector with storming gains and bullish momentum. Meanwhile, Reddit emerged as the underdog treasure trove for growth investors, proving that an asset-light model with massive active user growth makes it a hot topic in tech circles, and possibly beyond if the rumored paywalls pay off. If you enjoyed today's tech roundup, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with anyone who loves a good tech saga. Keep your notifications on, because more tech drama for geeks at heart is on the way tomorrow.